week.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the quick tip of the week. And this quick tip of the week is very simple. It's for my beginners. It's for my videographers. Very, very simple. Listen, if you're shooting any situation where the subject matter is not moving a lot, always choose boom over lav. Why? Why? Let's be honest. Let's start with this simplistic, simple part of it. Do you think you'll get better sound quality out of a mic this big or a mic that's this big? Let's just start there. Do you need some Jeopardy music? Okay, that's one. Two, when you use a boom mic, it helps just the sound quality is a lot better for another reason. One, it's pointed directly at the mouth, so you're getting really good, precise audio compared to something that's trying to capture what's coming out, what's going away from it. And when people turn their head, that mic, that sound quality changes. So if you got somebody turning their head, it changes. Also, if they're moving a lot and they're rubbing, you get all of that rubbing on your microphone. If you're outdoors, you can do a lot more to protect the boom mic from wind than you can when it comes to a lav mic. And don't get me wrong, they still have little dead cats and all of that, but you don't want somebody talking and they got this big furry thing on them. It happens, and there's times you have to do that, but you can easily get a boom pole. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna post a link to a inexpensive boom pole holder. If you got a clamp, you can pop this boy on a light stand, stick your boom pole in there, and you don't need somebody holding it. You can prop it up as we have right now. I'm using a boom pole. So, for the price of a wireless lav system, which is normally $200-300, you can get a decent Rode shotgun mic to put in place to get great audio. And this is mostly for beginners, guys who are in the industry. That's why with movies, they use boom poles. They don't use, they can hide lav mics. They use boom poles for a reason. Those mics are just a lot better. If you're looking to buy your first mic, you better buy a shotgun mic before you buy anything. And don't sit it on the camera. Get it as close to the person as you can. My mic is literally right here. And you can tell, you hear the sound. So again, boom pole. Boom pole, shotgun mic, go for it. All right, guys, if you learned anything from this video, hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. We're going to work to bring you guys business tips of the week every single Monday. All right, guys, I will see you guys next video. Boom pole, shotgun mic, definitely. And if this is your first time watching one of our videos, this channel is designed to help people like yourself turn your passion into profit. We like to use the term contentpreneurs. So make sure you hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell so that you can be notified on our latest videos, and let's get to it.